Well, everyone, I'm a Yankees fan. Anyone a Yankees fan?
Yeah.
Awesome, sweet. This little story and song are for you. So basically, whole family's Yankees fans. I grew up a Yankees fan, very proud. A few weeks ago, my dad was telling me a story about something that had happened at a Yankee game. Basically, the week that Charlie Kirk was killed, the Yankees had President Trump at the stadium, and they honored President Trump and Charlie Kirk. And as a Yankees fan, it really did make me feel some kind of way. I had to figure it out, check my memory of the types of people in the GOP. Then suddenly, it got me thinking. Low-tax Republican, anti-vax Republican, black-on-black Republican, red-hat Republican. Suddenly, it hit me like a missile. He's liking the Yankees, a Republican dog whistle. It's a fucking baseball team, a Republican dog whistle. I had to figure it out, check my memory of the types of people in the GOP. Suddenly, it got me thinking. SpaceX Republican, Kanye West Republican, Tesla car Republican, go to Mars Republican, tell the Yankees are a Republican dog whistle. I had to figure it out, check my memory of the types of people in the GOP. That suddenly it got me thinking. Trickle down Republican, hates pronouns Republican, Fox News Republican, big boobs Republican, and liking the Yankees. Yankees a Republican dog whistle. Now some might say that it was rude when Trump came on stage, half the stadium booed. The Yankees claim that Kirk had promised, but the people know it was dishonest. Because the New York Yankees are a Republican dog whistle. It's like fucking baseball team, a Republican dog whistle. I had to figure it out, check my memory of the types of people in the
Boo Yankees, that's right. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. I'm going to move this over to the side a little bit. I'm going to play some.